Hey YouTube, thanks for making it Bright Spock Community Channel, man. Hey, I have a question. If you were a young, able-bodied man, let's say between the ages of 30 to 40 years old, would you go overseas and depend on a woman to take care of you? I'll give you a second to think about it and you can respond in the comment section. If you're a young, able-bodied man in the overseas labor market, would you like just stop working and depend on a woman, an older woman, to take care of you, pay your bills, and all of that? You would give up your independence for a older woman to take care of you. Would you do that? Let me know in the comment section. Because that is what is happening, man. That is what I see. I see this happening, man, and I'm like, wow, these guys are so fucking ridiculous, man. Like, you're overseas, and instead of you putting your shoulders to the wheel and get working, making some money, being independent, sending back some money to Jamaica for your family, stacking up some money to buy what you want when you get back to Jamaica, man. You're over here. You're out here in overseas depending on an older woman to pay your bills, provide you with a shelter, and you're not doing nothing but going out and hustling 2 hours, 3 hours per week. Not per day, per week. I wouldn't do that, man. For love nor money. I wouldn't do that. I'm telling you, if you see Bright Spock come up on this channel and put up a video, say, hey, man, you know, I found this woman and she's now taking care of me and I live with her and she feeds me and everything. I'm just so happy. Man, desubscribe. Unsubscribe from my channel. Unsubscribe from my channel, man. These are gigolos. These guys come out here to work and they socialize with an older woman who likes them because you know that's the way they are out here. That's the way these women are. They love to see when you're young and muscular and black so you can lay some hard pipes on them. That's what they like. But for you to say, all right, I find this woman now, I'm gonna stop working altogether. You're no longer going to work in the mornings. You're no longer showing up for your 40 hours work week. All you do, you lie down on your three-piece sofa and you're watching television for the whole day. You're on WhatsApp. And here is this woman now telling you what to do. She's telling you to wash the dishes. She's telling you wash the car, where you can go, where you can't go, who you can talk to. Man, you think I'm kidding, man? Look at me, man. When these guys are with these older ladies, man, they can't do as they have a like. Don't let them trick you. If they do as they have a like, they're out of the house. They're out of the house, and their little allowance that they're getting from her pension or whatever she's doing, her ex-husband left her some money that she's spending on him to buy him clothes and food and shoes. All of that stops if you think you can do what you want to do. Let that older woman come and see you in a bar or somewhere laughing and flirting with a girl, and you see what happens to you. First thing, she's not gonna marry that guy, man. She's not gonna marry him. He's her boy toy. That's all he is. That gigolo, he's her boy toy. She's not gonna marry him. You might have just a few situations where it's true love. But it's never true love, man. It's opportunity. It's opportunity that these young gigolo guys are after. These lazy guys. They arrive overseas and they start working for a month and a half. And they find this older woman, man, and they don't want to work anymore, man. They just give up work totally. Man, I don't know how you all do it, man. You tell me in the comment section how you do it and what you gain from. No, I know what you gain. You gain free living, free food, free traveling, and all of that. And then when you see these guys say they're going on vacation in Jamaica, and you say, man, what's up? Let something happen. They're giving you all sort of excuses. Why? They don't have any money. They don't have any money to spare because they can only spend what this woman gives them to spend. Maybe he can only purchase his ticket and have a $500 in his pocket because she's already bought all his clothes with her credit card. So you see him clean and fresh and looking all of that way. But he has no cash to spare because she has him on a leash. She has him on a leash. He can't go very far without her. That's the way you want to live your life, young lad? You don't want to do that, man. You want to be a man. You want to be independent. Make your own money out here, man. Money is there to make out here, man. But a lot of these guys think they're winning when they find an older woman and they start their gigolo career. You're gonna be with this woman and she fucks who she wants to fuck. She's gonna bring who she wanna bring in her house. It's her house. How can you tell her what to do? You lay a hand on her and you're in jail or you're being deported. You better know that this is not Jamaica where men physically abuse women and nothing come out of it most of the time. This is overseas, man. This is foreign. So when that woman starts bringing another younger guy to the house, what are you gonna say? What are you gonna do? They can't do nothing. These gigolos, man, they're so fucking ridiculous, bro. Older woman is paying your rent. Older woman is buying your clothes, your shoes, everything. And what do you have? You've lost your independence. You've lost your independence because you love free things in foreign. How can you be in foreign, man, and you don't want to work? You don't want to work. So guys, any day I come on here, man, and you hear me vlog say, hey, I found an older woman and she's doing everything for me and Ray, you unsubscribe, man. Unsubscribe. I'm no longer a real man. And I'm telling you, that will never happen because Bright Spock, man, I'm stoic. I'm an alpha male, sigma male in one. I don't play around, man. I love to work and make my own money. I love to grind and look at my stocks and my stacks building up. I feel manly. You see how I walk? You see my shoulders? Yeah, man, a gigolo doesn't have this posture. A gigolo, he walks and I don't know how to slouch, man. They walk like this, man. They with their heads down. Because they know they have to be eating some old pussy and doing whatever else the woman wants them to do for them to stay at her house and for them to get that card, drive out that car and all of that, man. These guys are ridiculous, man. Hey, I hope when you're doing this gigolo role, you don't tell anybody that you're Jamaican. Don't tell them that you're Jamaican. Tell them that you're from some other part of the world. Don't tell them that you're from Jamaican. You're ruining our brand. You're ruining our brand. Hey man, if you're in foreign and you know of a gigolo, man, you put it in the comment section and tell me about his experience, man. Tell me that that guy's happy. When there's so many young, fresh, clean snow bunnies and Latinas and ebonies out here, man. Beautiful. That we young men, we can be laying some pipes, man. And you're telling me you're gonna give all of those young snow bunnies, ebonies, Latinas, you're gonna give up that because you wanna live freely? Man, get the fuck out of here, man. Yo. Subscribe to Bright Spock TV, man, because we have these exciting topics, man. Unscripted, unedited, no preservatives, no additives. Straight out of the source, man. You know what it is. Bright Spock Community Channel. Let's have a discussion. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.